All right, I think we're up. I'm not exactly sure, but we're going to do this. It won't be the first time I do it, and we're not live, and I have to redo it, but let's give it a whirl. Good Friday to you. This is the last of Watching the Mind. Next week, we're going to go back into the type of meditations that work on healing ourselves and healing others. I really wanted to spend these last 2 weeks, and thanks for the opportunity to do that, with giving you an idea of what it takes to tap in intuitively, how we need to step back. So today will be our last little practice of that, and we're going to go back to the other meditations. So again, we're going to start with prayer protection, the Lord's Prayer, a quick little bring me down into a quiet place, and I'm going to ask you to move yourself into the stream of energy that's always flowing through, and just focus on being in that energy and notice the thoughts. Thoughts don't stop, emotions don't stop. But do you get hooked up in them, or do you just step back and notice they're there? Because in that noticing is where you will start to receive intuitive information. It's in between the noise, it's the silence, it's that still small voice. You can't hear it if you're focused on the noise out there. Alrighty, let's get started for our last round of this type of meditation. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and just relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let's just take a little deep breath, and as we exhale, scan our bodies for any tension. When you find any tension, invite yourself to let it go, to release. Notice how your body responds immediately to your mind. Let's bring our attention to the top of our head, where the beautiful energy continuously flows in. At the top of our head and at our third eye, between our eyebrows on our forehead. If you've been doing this with us for a while, you feel that movement there. If not, just know there's movement, because you can feel the energy coming in, and you will feel it. Let's follow that energy through our body and allow it to heal and remove the blocks that we put up since the last time we took them down. Let's flow into our heads and release any blocks in our mind. Allow this beautiful energy flow into our neck, releasing any tensions we put into our physical body, any blocks we put up to God's will. It's flowing down into the heart chakra, where we release any emotions that are blocking this beautiful flow. Move down to the solar plexus, just above the belly button, and release any anger and upset that we might hold there, any fear. Moving down to our second chakra, just below the belly button, and we're going to release any past upsets. And as this energy continues to flow down to our root chakra, the first chakra, we release any upset we have with being here at this time. being part of the planet, having to be on this plane and not in a more happy place. We release it because we know there's a purpose for us here. And we follow the energy down to our feet and out as it moves into the earth. And that energy recycles back up to God. And it continuously flows through us. It never stops giving it to us. Now we're going to quiet our mind. We're going to step back into that stream like you're standing under a waterfall. And just feel the sensation of utter peace and love, joy and healing. Stay present to that. And when your mind drifts, bring it back, right into that stream. This is where we step back and we're now open to hearing an intuitive insight from above. So let's be open to receiving an answer today to anything we might have on our minds. Step back and we'll sit quietly. Take a moment and just send back up through that beautiful energy your appreciation for these few moments that you got to experience that utter love, that unconditional love, that peace. And as we close with the 23rd Psalm, bring your body, your mind back into your body and be fully present. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you guys next week. And if it didn't record, I'll just send it over to Facebook. Sorry. Have a great day.